The way I'm feeling lately, might get a wedding ring. I let the basic bitches moved on to better things. And you don't wear no makeup, don't need no Maybelline. And I ain't ask for nothing, but for you to stay with me. Hey.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And so today I am bringing you guys a beef shank recipe. Yes, I love beef shanks. They are very fast and easy to make, and they are flavorful. So first, what we're going to start off with is cleaning our beef shanks with some lemon and some water. This is a very important step because to me, beef shanks have like a strong smell. So you do want to remove that smell and the ickiness with some lime and some vinegar. Our beef shanks are clean. Now our next step is to pat them dry and just drain them. So I'm just draining them and letting the excess water come off, and then I'm going to be patting them completely dry. Now I am giving you a visual on the seasonings. For the seasonings, I did use some mustard, some complete seasoning, some liquid smoke, some Kinder's buttery steakhouse, some known tomato bouillon, and then I did use some chicken bouillon, a little bit of salt, and black pepper. So first things first, we are going to season with the mustard because that's just like the binder, and that's just gonna keep all the seasonings together and help the seasonings marinate into the meat. So I apologize for not giving like exact measurements, but you can kind of eyeball it and just here I'm giving you a visual, so that's a good thing. You can kind of see how much I did add and how much I didn't, but it also just depends on how large your beef shanks are or how many beef shanks you do have. So here I have 5 garlic cloves, and what I'm doing here is I'm just mincing the garlic cloves because we are throwing this in the pot with the butter. So here I have my pan with some butter, and into the butter I'm just gonna throw some garlic, the garlic that we chopped up earlier, and then some thyme. Now what we're gonna do here is let the pan heat up on medium-high heat, and then we are going to add in our beef shanks, and what we're gonna do there is just sear our beef shanks on both sides. So what we're going to do now is just make sure you're searing your beef shanks on both sides. You do not want to burn them. You kind of just want to get them like kind of nice and golden brown. Yeah, so you're going to sear them for about 3 minutes on each side. And while the other side is searing, I'm just going to put some black pepper, or in this case some peppercorn, on both sides. I love peppercorn. If you're not a big fan of peppercorn, then you can skip this step. So now that the beef is seared, we are going to add in half a cup of beef broth, some beef onion soup mix, and some tomato paste. Now that everything is incorporated well into the pot, we are going to add some barbecue sauce. So now that the barbecue sauce is well incorporated, we are going to be adding in some garlic, some purple onion, and a little bit of cilantro. So I did add in some thyme. So now we're gonna cover it and we're gonna turn the heat down to low, and we are going to let this cook on the stove for about 30 minutes. And then after the 30 minutes, we are going to transfer this whole pot uncovered into the oven. So this is how it should look after 30 minutes on the stove. And then you are going to turn your oven on to 370 degrees, and you're going to bake these for about 2 hours. Make sure you are checking them every 30 minutes. Make sure you're just basting them and then just moving them around in the sauce.
The way I'm feeling lately, might get a wedding ring. I let the basic bitches moved on to better things. And you don't wear no makeup, don't need no Maybelline. And I ain't asking nothing but for you to stay with me. Hey.